Hello Internet, today is Tuesday, 14 January, and I greet everybody. We have three confirmations, the strongest signals pointing that the final part of this bull rally has started. To those who are first time at this channel, just to know that I am practicing Elliott Wave's principle here. This principle is based on mathematics, logical science, and Fibonacci ratios. And I found that the stablecoin's dominance has a really strong correlation to all cryptocurrency assets and found it's a triangle in a fourth position with the targets the basement of this pattern. But let's go deeper. Take microscope in the hands and see what we have. So first of all, you see here the two truths which actually tops on Bitcoin. It's in November 21st. And here we see the November top of 24 year, 5 hour, right here. And initially, I was thinking that it's the end of the world structure, but I was fooled. And according to Elliott norms, and it's pretty possible that one of the subwaves could be extended. And right now, with this situation. So, initially, I was thinking that this zigzag and the top of this zigzag and this part is an extended flat. Because if you take a Fibonacci tool and to measure the distance, it about five this top about 5% higher than the previous than the start of this figure, and this is matching with norms of extended flat. Also, you see that this part, this subwave, is much longer than this part. And I thought that this might be a third subwave in the five waves structure. And the structure 335 is an extended flat. So the norms, the targets for an extended flat are uh, 150 116%, which is here. And so that I anticipated bumped from somewhere here as a part of fourth subwave and go down till zero. So you see how the price behaved in this part. And so if it was an extended flat, the first subwave unable to overlap the end of first subwave, this part. But you see what's happened here. Here we have another zigzag, 1, 2, 3. And in the end, so it's unable to be an extended flat. But in the end, what we have? We have a confirmed triangle with a target 328. Post-triangle advancing impulses in commodities at degrees above intermediate are usually the longest wave in the sequence. And in the stock markets, when a triangle occurs in the fourth wave position, five waves is sometimes swift and travels approximately the distance of the widest part of a triangle. And the truth is usually an impulse, but can be an ending diagonal. And that's it. It's a really strong long signal, and hope everybody will be in a fat profits. But wait, let's move further and see which other bull signals we have. This is dollar index and the 1 month time frame, and you see five wave structure here. The markets are embedded on the all degrees, and markets has an impulse structure. Once its impulse is ended, the correction has started. A month ago, by using Fibonacci ratio, I determine the limit target for B subwave of this correction, and it's near 112. And it's also correlating with the upcoming chart, with the previous chart, I mean, with the bull part of this chart. And as you see, the price is going to touch the border of this channel. And the previous time it was like this. It was in February of 28 to 89, and it was start of global financial crisis. And we have the same situation here, a fantastic opportunities for shorts. And the targets, the another measurement shows the limit for targets, the limit targets for the upcoming crash. It's about 18.5. And you see what happened here. We have exit out of this channel. Probably there is a possibility that the price go lower than just here, much lower, but who knows, we will see. And finally, let's go to the Dogecoin. So, being honest, here is the 5-hour time frame, almost a microscope. I have no idea what the structure is, but I see here the 5-wave structure on MACD in the oscillator, and as soon as the whole market has the ratios, and after five waves down, we could anticipate 3 waves up, and again another 5 waves down. So, according to measurement with ratios between subwaves of the current rally, maybe we could anticipate, let's see, somewhere here. Maybe the price will not exceed the previous top. But why? For the same reasons. The issue here is the top of previous bull market. It's April of 21st. After this, we had 3 waves down. 1, 2, 3, which is zigzag. Very unlikely that at this point the bear market has finished because it's zigzag. And more probably, I think that this part is a such big B wave. And if it's a B wave unable to exceed the previous top. B wave could exceed the previous top only in case if this part is an extended flat, but it will exceed it not more than 5%. So as for me, so it's hard to say what we have here. I will look at the dominance chart, and once it reach the target, it's a good time to close your position. So wish you everybody a fat profits and see you again.